These are the different types of fuses. Okay, electrical circuits used to protect our home appliances. Are okay. So here, these are the following different type of protective devices: fuse, miniature circuit breaker, MCB, earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB. Okay. So first, so we have to concentrating on ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. Okay. So ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB. An earth leakage circuit breaker is a device used to directly detect the current leakage to the earth from installation and cut the power, and mainly used for TT earthing systems. Okay. So yeah, so the earth leakage circuit breaker is generally used for protecting the human beings under leakage current, is operating under a leakage current. Okay. For example, in your home appliances, so fridge, for example, fridge. Okay, if inside of the any fault is occurred in the fridge, so what happen if any fault is occurred on the fridge? Means there is a, for example, insulation failure in the inside of the fridge. So there may be a short circuit to the ground. Because this current is passing through the ground to the your fridge. Am I right now? Okay. So for example, if you want to operate fridge, if you are touching the fridge, means the current is passing through the human body. Okay, this is very harmful to the human body. No? That's okay. How to protect this? By using ELCB. By using ELCB, so we have to protect the human beings. Okay, so that the earth leakage circuit breaker, the current earth leakage current is flowing into this circuit breaker, earth leakage circuit breaker, and strip the contacts from the supply. It open the contact, isolate this device, faulty device from the supply. So in this way, it is used to protect whenever the insulation failure or any winding is failure inside of this devices. So there is a short circuit with the ground. Because of that, if you are operating, if you are touching the devices, the fault current is passing through the human body. Okay, so it is very very harmful to the human body. So that's why to protect the human beings, okay, this ELCBs are used for the protection of human body from the electric shock. Protective devices like fuse or MCB is used. Okay, for protection of human body from electric shock, protective devices like fuse or MCBs are generally used. But generally, the device is incapable of measuring small current flowing in human body. So requirement is to have a device which can sense the small current and cut off the supply instantly. Okay. So this MCB and fuses are also used to protect the human bodies, but for small amount of current, these are not responding. MCB and fuse. For small amount of leakage current, these MCB and fuses are not respond. So because of that, so these ELCBs are generally used. Okay, ELCBs are cut off this supply instantly. Okay, so in this device, it is in this device are capable of measuring small current flowing in human body. So requirement is to have a device which can sense a small current and cut off the supply instantly. So yeah, this device is used for purpose of known and earth leakage circuit breaker. Purpose of known and earth leakage current. Okay, there are two types of earth leakage ELCBs are there. First one, voltage earth leakage circuit breaker. Voltage earth leakage circuit breaker. Voltage earth leakage circuit breaker, and then current earth leakage circuit breaker. Current earth leakage circuit breaker. These are the two different types of circuit breakers. Okay, this ELCBs are classified into voltage earth leakage circuit breaker and the current earth leakage circuit breaker. This is the circuit diagram of the earth leakage circuit breaker. This is the circuit diagram. Okay. Yes, circuit breaker. So this is called line supply, and this is called neutral. Supply, this supply, and this is neutral. And here test push button is used to check the ELCB is working properly or not. This test push button is used to check this ELCB is working properly or not. Okay, this is called test resistor, and this is called CBCT. This is called core based current transformer. This is called CBCT. Okay. Okay, CBCT current transformer. This is called current transformer. Okay, here this from phase, this is called phase. That means line. Okay, this line is connected in series with this core. Okay, from phase wire, and then so connected to your device. That is, for example, it is a TV or fan or fridge, whatever maybe. This is called load. Okay, and load second terminal is called neutral. Okay, this wire is connected to the, so return back to the supply like this. Okay, so one side of phase is connected in this way for current transformer. Okay, and then connect to the load. Okay, and coming back to the same way. Okay, so in this way, this is connected, this current transformer CBCT. Okay, so here, so how many number of turns are present here? Same number of turns are present in this core. For how many number of turns are present in a line? Okay, in this line, same number of turns are present in neutral wire also. Okay, here for example, 10 number of turns. Here also 10 number of turns, 100, 100. Okay, 50, 50, like this. Same number of turns are placed here, here also. Okay, and this is called trip coil. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram of the ELCB. So in this ELCB, working of ELCB, it is a current operated device. Okay, designed to operate when a leakage current exceeds the predefined value. Understood? ELCB generally a current operated device designed to operate when a leakage current exceeds the predefined value. Okay, that's called normal operating value. The leakage current is exceed, okay, predefined value. For example, small amount of leakage current is not a damage, not a dangerous fault, but it is coming onwards, it will become dangerous fault. Small amount of leakage current is not dangerous, but it will be after some time it will be acting as a dangerous fault. Okay, this small leakage current is increasing after some time. Okay, it consisting of operating coil, trip mechanism, which is operated in a circuit when required. Okay, the operating coil, this is called trip coil. Okay, this is called operating coil. CVCT, it's consisting of operating coil and trip mechanism, which operated the circuit when is required. Understood? The coil is supplied through a single phase supply. The coil supplied through a single phase supply. So current and phase and neutral wire will be same. Current and phase and neutral. So this current enter into the phase wire, okay, and through the current transformer and flowing through the load and coming back to in the same. So these are all connected in series. No? Okay, these are connected in load. So the load, this system is connected in series with the load. Understood? If any fault is occurring, for example, if the leakage occurred here, that means the current is diverted to the ground. Instead of flowing the neutral, this current flowing to the neutral, instead of flowing to the neutral, it is diverting. If any fault is occurred to the ground, the fault is current is diverted to the earth. Okay, fault leakage current is nothing but fault between load and earth. That is called earth leakage. Okay, when fault yeah, the current will produce a flux. The current will produce the flux here. The current is produce a flux because of transformer. Understood? Transformer action. This core is made by, this core is surrounded by this winding. Because of that, the flux developed in this, the flux direction in this direction, one direction. Okay, this flux direction and this flux direction both are opposite. The flux direction, for example, in the direction, this flux direction also in this opposite, exactly opposite of the this direction, according to thumb rule. So they place a design according to thumb rule. Okay, if the current is flowing entering into the coil and then flux is developed, the flux is, for example, anti-clockwise direction. This flux is clockwise direction. Okay, under normal condition, the current flowing to this winding and the current flowing in coming back to the winding is same. For example, the current 10 amps is coming in like this manner. Okay, and the current 10 amps is flowing to the load and coming back to the same way. Okay, that means 10 amps here, 10 amps here. The magnetic flux is in this way. The magnetic flux developed in the core in this way. That means the two fluxes are opposite each other, and the resultant flux will be nullified. Okay, the resultant flux will become 0. So under normal condition, normal operating condition. Okay, understood? This current will produce the flux linkage in same magnitude but opposite direction. This will result to 0 net flux, okay, in tripping coil of the relay. So this is because of this, there is no flux is developed in this tripping coil of the relay. The resultant flux is 0 in the tripping coil of the relay. Understood? Simple, nothing is there, so I have to consider here. Kindly focus on here. For example, the load is operating 5 amps. Under normal condition, the load is operating 5 amps. The 5 amps current entering from line. So in this way, the 5 amps entering line. So this 5 amps is current passing through this primary winding, okay, this coil, and enter into the load. For example, this color induction machine, and enter into the load and coming back to the line, also neutral, also same, coming back to the neutral and same. So that means here 5 amps and here 5 amps, and number of turns are same here, number of turns also same. Here 5 amps, here 5 amps. That's why under normal condition, so whatever the current flowing through the line is coming back same amount of current. Because of that, here flux, okay. So whatever the flux is generated here, that flux can be opposite by this coil. Okay. This way, this flux can, what is the here flux direction in this direction, here flux direction in this direction. Okay, then resultant flux will be 0. The 0 flux, because of the 0 flux. Okay, so on the tripping coil, the 0 flux is induced on the tripping coil. That's why the tripping coil is not activated. Okay, under faulty conditions only the tripping coil is activated. Okay, the current will produce the flux linkage in same in magnitude opposite direction. This will result in net flux in the tripping coil relay. Okay, net flux 0 in the tripping coil of the relay. So yeah, 0 flux developed in the tripping coil. So because of how much of flux is developed here, okay, same amount of flux is also developed. The opposite each other, connected opposite each other. Okay. Under fault conditions, what happens when fault or leakage current exceeds the limit? Higher current will flow in phase conductor and then neutral current. Am I right? When fault or leakage current exceeds the limit, higher current will flow in phase conductor than neutral current. For example, if any fault is occur, for example here, okay, here, for example, ground faults takes place here. Okay, for example, this is called ground earth leak. Any fault is occur means here, for example, this is load. This is a load. This is a load. So if a fault is occur like this, so what happened? Okay, whatever the current entering from this here, the current flowing through the device to the ground on earth. Okay, so for the that means the current entering here this device and some amount of current is passing here, and the remaining current is passing to the neutral. That means there is a difference between okay, this line current and neutral current. Here under faulty condition, line current and neutral currents are not equal. Okay, under faulty condition, some amount of current is flowing through the ground. Okay, for example, this is called 5 amps. The 5 amps current is entering. Okay, because of earth leakage, some amount of current is flowing through the ground. That is called 2 amps, for example, and remaining 3 amps current is in this direction. So here, but the coil is induced by because of 5 amps. Okay, and because the coil is induced by 3 amps, remaining 2 amps current is flowing. That's why there is a difference between these two. Okay, fluxes. The here flux is 5 amps. This means the flux, more amount of flux generated. Here 3 amps only. The less amount of flux developed. That's why there is a resultant flux is not 0. The resultant flux is flowing to the trip coil, and then trip coil is activated and open the contact. In this way, this ELCB is operating. Understood? The resultant flux now out of balance in tripping coil. Okay. The resultant flux in now out of balance in tripping coil of the relay. The difference of flux will induce EMF in the coil, which opens the contact of ELCB and isolate the circuit from supply. So in this way, the ELCB is operating. It's clear? So for proper earthing, okay, for proper earthing, that means there is no leakage current. Okay, this is called fridge. This is a phase and neutral. This is called phase is connected and neutral is connected. And this is called earth wire. Okay, earth wire is connected here like this. This is called phase and neutral. Under normal operating conditions, so there is no leakage current. Okay, proper earthing condition. This this current entering into the phase terminal and the current coming back to this terminal, both are same. Okay, phase current and neutral current is same. Okay, for single phase supply. But if any fault is occur, okay, so in fridge, so the leakage current is passing through the ground. Okay, if you are operated this device, the fault current is passing through the human body. Understood? Under normal conditions, in this way, this is a proper earthing condition. This fault current, there is no leakage current flowing through the device to the earth. Okay, for improper earthing, so that means there is no earth wire. If the earth wire is not connected to the your home appliance, that is called fridge, what happened? The earth fault current is passing through the, if you are operated, the fault current is passing through your body. Am I right? Your body to the ground. So in this, so generally the earth wire is in a 3-pin plug. So this is called earth wire. The earth wire cross section area of the pin is more. Okay, this cross section area of the pin is more. So like this, it's called phase and neutral. Okay, these two are acting as a phase and neutral. These two, but this is the third pin is called earth wire. So this earth wire used to protect and here. So if any leakage current is takes place, that leakage current is passing through this earth wire. Okay, so this cross sectional area of the earth pin, third pin is high because of if any current leakage current takes place, that current passing through this pin. The cross sectional area of the means high means because of resistance is low. If you maintain the resistance less, then only the leakage current is flowing through this earth wire. So R is equal to rho L by A. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Am I right or not? The resistance of this cross section area, the pin is very less compared to this two. So cross sectional area is more means resistance is less. No? That's why this pin made by so high cross section compared to these two pins. Understood? So in this way, this earth wire is used. Okay, in the earth wire. So generally, this color of this earth wire is like this. Okay, as a red and blue lines is called phase and neutral. Phase and neutral wires are these are the two phase and earth wire is called third pin. Okay, understand? And then so earth leakage circuit breaker. So this can be used to protect. So this earth leakage types. These are the different types of earth leakage circuit breakers are there. 4-pole earth leakage circuit breaker. Okay, here there's 1, 2, 3, 4 types, 4 different types of poles. Now here, that's why it's called 4-pole earth leakage circuit breaker. This is only 2-pole earth leakage circuit breaker. This operating range is 25 amps. Okay, so according to our requirement, this earth leakage circuit breakers are used 4-pole or 2-pole according to our requirement. Okay, so if any fault is occur, so what happens? This fault current is passing through the human body, and it's very dangerous to the human bodies. No? So that fault can be how to overcome, how to remove the fault current. You know, well, this is the, so if you are operating a socket, okay, so if any fault is occurred, that current is passing through the human body. Am I right or not? If it is any fault is occur, if any leakage current is in the insulator, if any leakage current takes place, that leakage current is passing through the human body to the ground. Na? So that can be protected by using ELCB only. Understood? Earth leakage circuit breaker. So kind of consider here. So earth leakage. So this is the, so generally used. Okay. So phase wire, neutral wire, the operating voltage of this 230 volts supply. Okay, it is connected like this manner. So if you are operating this device, means compulsory open the doors or closing the doors, for example, fridge, or turn on the switches. So the operation, while doing these operations, there is any fault is leakage current, any earth leakage takes place, that fault current is passing through the human body. Okay, right or not? The fault current is passing through human body, and that is very dangerous to human system, human bodies, human beings. That's why this earth leakage circuit breaker is used. Okay. And here under normal condition, under proper earthing condition, so this is the current direction. Okay, the current direction is like this under proper earthing condition. The current direction is from phase 2. Okay, this called ELCB is placed in between the device, operating device, and the supply. Okay, this is called supply is device ELCB. The current is phase current is passing through the ELCB device, and one terminal is like coming to an operating device, and then there is no current flowing to the human body if proper earthing, if the device is earthed properly. Okay, so there is no current flowing to the human body. That means there is no dangers to the human. Okay, under normal operating conditions. Okay, this is the current direction. Current direction is flowing in the phase to neutral. Amount of current is supplied from the phase, for example, 5 amps, and neutral is also 5 amps. Under improper earthing condition, so what happened? Under improper earthing condition, this fall some amount of current is passing through the human body. Okay, so this current and this current, phase current and neutral current is not matching. So there's a short circuit takes place in human body in between to the ground earth. Okay, so that can be protected so by using ELCB. So this is a ELCB circuit diagram. Okay, so ELCB circuit diagram, this is called supply line and neutral. Okay, and under normal condition, it is operating. I'm already explained working principle. So this is called CBCT. These are the different type of parts. CBCT, core balance current transformer. This is called core balance current transformer, CBCT. This is circular one is called core balance current transformer. This is called sensing coil. This coil, this is two. These are is called operating coil, and this is also called operating coil. But this is called sensing coil. Okay, the relay. This is called relay or sensing coil. It's connected to the trip circuit. Okay, and this is called CBCT, and this is called tripping relay. Tripping relay. This is called tripping relay, and this is called test button. To test the circuit breaker is working properly or not, can be tested by using test relay. So under normal operating conditions, this is called load. The load may be fan, fridge, TV. Okay, under normal conditions, this is the current direction. Okay, this is the current entering to the line and to the coil 1. Okay, so here how many number of turns are placed here, same number of turns here also. The coil current entering into the coil, the current is entering into the coil 1 and flowing to the load and then back to the neutral. Okay, same here also. So that means because of this coil, current flowing to the coil, the flux is developed, and then flux direction will be in this. The flux direction is like this. Is arranged. This is the according to the thumb rule. This coil, the flux direction can be arranged in the like this. Okay, and here also in this coil also the flux direction is arranged opposite, exactly opposite to that of the coil 1. The coil 2 flux exactly opposite to that of these 2. So this flux in this direction, the flux direction is in the direction. That means what is the resultant flux? 0. Net flux is 0. This net flux in this sensing coil is 0. That is called test here. That means this trip coil is not operating under normal condition. Under normal condition, trip coil or sensing coil, the sensing coil is not responding because of this resultant flux is 0. Okay, understood? Flux is equal to for example, so 1 Weber per meter square. 1 Weber, for example, 1 Weber is flux pi 1. Here pi 1 also 1 Weber. So the resultant flux is 0, 1 minus 1. This because this is in the direction, this is in the direction. Understood? So that's why there is no result. The flux is induced in this test coil, and then the tripping coil is not working. Sensing coil is not sensed by the flux. That's why, because of resultant flux 0, that's why it is not sensed, and then tripping coil is not working. That means it is under safe region. Okay, this fault current is entering into the like this and leaving back to the neutral wire like this. So for this case, this whatever the flux generated by here, that flux can be nullified. Is it developed across exactly opposite to that of the coil 1 because of the here same number of turns, here the same number of turns. Okay, how much of flux is developed here? Same amount of flux can be developed here. Okay, so under faulty condition, under normal conditions like this, it is working. Okay. Under improper condition, under improper earthing conditions, what happen? If any leakage current if earth fault takes place, for example, if earth fault takes place, that is called insulation failure or winding any damages inside of the load. So that leakage current, okay, passing through the earth wire. That leakage current is passing through the earth wire in this way. Okay, this is called earth wire. This leakage current passing through the earth wire. For this case, so this amount of current drawn from the supply is maximum. Okay, some amount of current is leaving to the earth wire, and some remaining current is so coming back to the neutral wire. Understood? For example, 5 amps coming from the line, and here 5 amps. This coil is energized by using 5 amps. Okay, this coil is energized by 5 amps, and the 5 amps is entering like this, and some amount of current is leakage current is passing through the earth wire. For example, 2 amps. Okay, 2 amps current is flow, leakage current, and the remaining current 3 amps is flowing through the neutral wire through this coil. That means here the coil is excited by 5 amps. This coil is excited by only 3 amps. So that's why there is a difference between current and also there is a difference between fluxes. Flux developed in the CBCT. Okay, flux developed in this core of the transformer. So this sensing coil will sense. Okay, so difference here, for example, 2 Weber flux is induced in this because of this coil, for example, 2 Weber, but here only 1 Weber. So 2 minus 1, 1 Weber flux is induces in the sensing coil, and then sensing coil strip the circuit and open the contact. So like this, this ALCB is working under earth fault condition. Okay, so this earth fault current is flowing to the earth wire. So this way under faulty condition. Okay, and this way this earth leakage circuit breaker is working. Okay, so during fault conditions, this is the in this way it is operating. Trip sensing sensing coil is operating like this manner. Okay, because of this, the resultant flux is net flux is not equal to 0. That's why sensing coil is sensing the flux, and then tripping coil so open the contacts. Okay, and then tripping coil as a sensor, and it's open the contacts like this manner. Okay, so that means the supply is disconnected. Supply is disconnected. That means isolate the faulty section from healthy section, and also it's protecting the human beings from earth leakage. It's clear. And then how to test the ELCB? Then coming to the testing of ELCB, testing. So how to test the ELCB is working properly or not? Okay, by removing the load. So remove the load here. Don't connect the load. How to test the ELCB? Means remove the load. So this switch this is called test switch. Under testing condition, this switch is closed. Okay, the switch is closed. This line is also closed. The switch is closed like this manner under test condition. So that means, so the line current is entering into the coil in this way, and to the resistance and the test switch this way. This is coming back to the neutral. That means there is no current flowing through this coil 2. Understood? Only current entering to the coil 1 and coming back to the neutral in this way. So that means the coil 1 is excited, coil 2 is not excited. Current flowing to the coil 2 is equal to 0 because of open circuit. Okay, coil 1 is excited by current. Because of that, this flux is induced in this, flux developed in this. Okay, because of coil 1 only. Then if the coil 1 is developed the flux because of this line current, and the flux so links to the secondary coil, but is open circuited. Because of this, is not developed the flux. This coil is open circuited. That's why there is no use of this. If it is closed circuit, then only it is used. But it is open circuit, no current flowing through this coil. Then only the flux is developed because of coil 1 only. Then flux is links like this manner. And whatever the flux is generated, the flux sense the coil. Okay, because of this coil, the flux is sensory. Okay, sensing coil sense the flux, and then triple relay operate. It's clear. So because of this coil 1 only, this magnetic flux is developed, and magnetic flux, because of this magnetic flux, the sensing coil, trip coil sense the sensing coil, and the strip coil is activated. So in this way, this LCB is test. Okay, the LCB is so here the operating current is 63 amps. Okay, the operating current of this LCB 63 amps range and 400 volts. This is called 4-pole LCB. Okay, a sensitivity of this LCB earth leakage circuit breaker. So it's indicated like this. So here sensitivity is 30 milliamps. This is called 30 milliamps indicated is nothing but sensitivity of the earth leakage circuit breaker, and also you have 4-pole circuit breaker. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of poles. Okay, so this is about circuit breaker, LCB circuit breaker. Okay, sensitivity is sensitivity leakage current rating, continuous current rating is called 63 amps. Here continuous current rating, the continuous current rating of this LCB is called 63 amps, and sensitivity rating of this is called 30 milliamps. Understood? LCB is very important to be installed for the protection and safety of man. Okay, LCB is very important to be installed for the protection and safety of man. Okay, that's it.